Still writing every Playwright test script from scratch? Stop. You're working harder, not smarter. What if you could turn a simple text file of requirements into a full GitHub pull request in under 60 seconds? Today, I'm showing you a game changer for automation QA, the GitHub Test Spec Generator. It's an AI-driven bridge that connects your repo directly to your requirements. The process is seamless. Just drop in your GitHub repo URL and your access token. Next, upload your requirements file. No complex formatting needed. Watch as the AI captures the critical steps, from login logic to add to cart flows. It identifies the keywords, maps the actions, and with one click, it generates a production-ready Playwright script. But it doesn't just write code. It pushes the branch and creates the pull request for you automatically. No manual copy-pasting, no terminal headaches. Just clean, version-controlled automation. If you're looking to scale your Playwright framework without the manual grind, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Check the link in the description to try it out. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more automation hacks. Let's automate the boring stuff.